Livestock markets were higher across the board in Friday's trade with live cattle, feeder cattle, and lean hogs all firm into the long weekend. Important to note that livestock markets will be closed Monday in observance of President's Day. Now back to those prices. At the close, April live cattle $1.95 higher to settle at 187.55. That was the highest weekly close since the end of October. March feeder cattle, they were red hot as well, settling the day $3.92 higher to 251.02. That was the highest weekly close since the first week of October. And on the snout side, it was a higher day as well, with April futures settling 22 cents higher to 85.22. Yesterday's daily livestock summary from the USDA showed the 5 area average price for live steers near 180. That's fairly steady with what we saw midweek. Daily slaughter was reported at 123,000 head, which puts week-to-date slaughter at 486,000. That's just about 10,000 head less than the same period last year. Now, this morning's wholesale box beef report, that was very hot. Choice cuts up $1.30 to $295.30, and select cuts gaining $3.97 to $287.99. Outside markets will continue to be monitored closely as a handful of economic data points came in hotter than expected this week, signaling that inflation could be stickier than what some folks were anticipating, which could push back rate cuts or reduce the number of rate cuts analysts are expecting to see this year, and that could trickle down to the consumer over time. Also important to note, next week we do have a cattle on feed report, so expect estimates to be coming out from analysts early to mid next week and positioning ahead of time.